Hey friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Strategy Saturday, where we get tactical about living low carb. Today's strategy, it made you think, oh, I know this, but it's good to hear it again. How to read food labels like a pro. And the reason why I think it's a good review is because they're out there trying to trick us all the time on these labels. Here's the truth. Most labels are designed to confuse you. They make the product look healthier than it is, and their marketing is unbelievable. But once you know what you're looking for, you'll spot the traps instantly. Step one, start with the serving size. Always check the serving size first. That's 2 grams of carbs, maybe per half cup, but not the whole container. Ice cream, nut butters, and keto snacks love this trick. Step two, total carbs, not just net. Look at the total carbs. Fiber, sugar can be subtracted for net carbs, but not all sugar alcohols are friendly. Maltitol, sorbitol, and isomalt can all spike your blood sugar. Stick with erythritol, stevia, monk fruit, or allulose. Step three, ingredients tell the real story. The shorter, the better. Watch for hidden sugars, anything that ends with OSE, dextrose, maltose, fructose. Seed oils, soybean, canola, sunflower, safflower, corn oil, all inflammatory. Starches and fillers. Maltodextrin is a modified food starch. They love to put that one in. Step four, protein and fat quality. Protein should come from whole food sources like meat, eggs, whey isolate, not soy isolate or protein blends. Fats should be natural: olive oil, avocado oil, butter, ghee, not hydrogenated or vegetable oils. Number five, marketing versus reality. Ignore the front of the package. Words like keto-friendly, low-carb, and heart-healthy don't mean much these days. The truth is always in the ingredient list and the nutrition panel. So I had a client that said, Rose, proudly bringing me this keto bread, and it said 2 net carbs, but the first ingredient was wheat flour and it had soybean oil. That's not keto, that's marketing. They realized most of what was tripping them up or causing stalls was in the fine print. So here's your strategy. Don't just count carbs, read the ingredients. The fewer, the better. And if you can't pronounce it, you probably don't need it. If you want my complete pantry clean out list with the best swaps for keto and carnivore, it's inside my ebook, Keto Made Simple, in the link below. So that's your strategy Saturday. Labels don't lie. You just have to know how to read them. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.